Welcome to Sampurna Engineering. We are continuing with our discussion on plastic engineering as such. What is there at India which is happening? In the plastic industry sector, Indian plastic industry is one of the oldest. 1945 was the beginning and is approaching the platinum jubilee year by 2020. India is the fifth largest producer of polypropylene in the world. India is in the top 10 in the innovations and commercial production of high-end polymers. Indian companies are world's largest manufacturers of lamine tubes and BOPP films. Two largest drip lateral manufacturers have major production bases in India. India is the second largest exporter of FIBC bags, that is flexible intermediate bulk containers. The largest roto-molded tank market is in India, and we are the major manufacturers of roto-molded tanks as well. India is the fourth largest producer of cars and second in the two-wheelers in the world. Major plastic parts for car are made in India. The machinery which is required for the manufacturing setup for the plastic industry, to name a few and to display some of them, these are the blown film extrusion. So all the way the carry bags and the films which are manufactured, they are manufactured with these types of machineries. The blow molding technology, and with the blow molding we can manufacture the water bottles. From start with the water bottles, and we can manufacturing the barrels like this as well. Then comes the injection molding. Injection molding contributes almost 40 to 45% of the total plastic industry in India. Let us concentrate on the polypropylene sector-wise consumption in 2018 and 19 in India. These are the polypropylene woven fibers popularly called as raffia. Then some of the wires, then extrusion process, the BOPPs, then ICPs and TQs. Some of the products they are displayed here. The polyvinyl chloride sector, the major contributions are through the pipes, 70% calendering items as such, wires, then the plumbing items like fittings, the profiles like doors and windows and panels of out effect, the films they contribute 4% of it, the medical equipments and their usages they contribute 2%, and some of the sheets are made by the PVCs. So this is all about the PVC sector. Now it comes with the polyethylene tetraphthalate and BOPT bottles. If you come to the packaging industry, it is surrounded by all the way by the PET bottles. Agrochemicals, the water bottles, the soft drinks, the personal health care, then the pharmaceutical industries, wide mouth of the jars which are available for keeping some of the grains or containers as such, edible oils, then comes the home care, the dairy products which are consumables, food items, so they made out of the PET boxes as then comes to the thermosets, the major sector again, where we are contributing once for all. The shape will be set and it will be forever. It can't be remolded again. Phenolics, they contribute through the wood adhesives, moldings, laminates, and foundry and insulation. They contribute these many as such. Then comes the epoxies through the paints and coatings, composites, adhesives, and sealants. They contribute to this extent. The major focus is on the polyurethane industry. So mattresses and furniture foams, the thermoware which are needed to keep it in the microwaves as such, the hot water geysers, then comes the footwears. The PU sole, as I mentioned is in my previous videos, these are formal, casual or any sport footwear that you are wearing. They are made up of PU soles. So polyurethane is a major contribution here. For auto, locomotive and office furniture, the molded foam which is needed, it is made by PU. The coatings coatings, adhesives and sealants and elastomers, they are from the PU industry. As we discussed it previously, roto-molding sector is a great enhancement that we are capitalized on. So we are the major manufacturers of roto-molded water tanks all over the world. Now the next comes the fiber reinforced plastics. This is thermoset resins like unsaturated polyester, epoxies, phenolics with glass fibers. These are type of composites. These are composite fibers that are we are targeting on. So the recent build coaches of Indian Railways and many such contributions to the industries that we see. Growth drivers are the renewable energy sectors, growing infrastructural needs, and aerospace and defense requirements. They makes FRP a more popular material in the future. So thanks for watching and do subscribe to my channel.